Hey guys, in this video we are going to see that if you have created a channel recently and you want to just delete that channel, as you can see on the Telegram, I have created a new channel that I want to delete. So all you have to do is just go to this main screen. When we open the Telegram, we have this screen. So let's go in that particular channel and just click on the profile icon on the name of the channel on the top, and on the right hand side on the top, we can see this edit or pencil kind of icon. Just hit that and just scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here it says in the red, delete channel. So let's delete the channel. And if you want to delete it for all of the subscribers, just check this and click on delete the channel. And that's it. This is how you can get rid of the channel. And as we can see here, it's also removed from here. The other one is of the chat group. So if you want to learn more about this Telegram application, it has so much amazing functions. You can join the playlist link in the description where I have explained a bunch of functions for Telegram. So that's it for today. Take care.